Good morning everyone. Welcome to today's English speaking practice. Today's topic is going to the market. This is a simple daily conversation to help you improve your speaking skills step by step. Listen carefully and repeat after me. Let's start. Good morning. Where are you going? Good morning. I am going to the market. Oh, nice. What are you planning to buy? I need some vegetables, fruits, and a few groceries. Are you going alone? Yes, I am going alone today. Which market are you going to? I am going to the nearby local market. It is just 10 minutes away. That's good. Is it crowded in the morning? Yes, in the morning it is a little crowded, but I like it. Why do you like it? Because everything is fresh and I get a good price. That makes sense. What vegetables will you buy? I will buy tomatoes, potatoes, onions, and green vegetables. Sounds healthy. Will you also buy fruits? Yes, I will buy bananas and apples. Do you bargain at the market? Sometimes yes, if the price is high. That's smart. How long will you take? I think I will be back in 1 hour. Okay, have a good time. Thank you. See you later. See you. Take care. You too. Bye. Great job. Well done. You have completed today's conversation practice. Now try to repeat this conversation daily. To improve your English speaking, keep practicing, keep learning, keep improving. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.